Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Maria. I'm a nurse by profession. Today I'm going to show you how to use a digital, guess what, blood pressure machine. I'm going to show you how to use it. I don't have working space, but I'm going to make it happen for you. So we have the cuff. The cuffs have different sizes, so you don't want to use this on a baby. So they are of different sizes. This is an adult cuff. However, even the adults who are small, that you have to use a pediatric cuff. We have neonate cuffs. So we have different sizes of cuffs. So this is an adult cuff. So you want to put it on like this. Usually it has also a guide. You see, they are showing you that this wire has to go down, and preferably we use it at this angle, okay, because here we have a major artery. Oh, and it's pulsating, I can feel it. Okay, that is being silly, but we use it at around this point because there is an artery. Or you can use it at any place where we have an artery, because if someone doesn't have arms, you don't say that I can't take the blood pressure. Arms are frequently used in hospitals because they are so easy to access. They're usually clean. However, we also take it at this area because we also have an artery there. We also take it at the ankle. We also take it at the knee, the knee joint. Those are some of the places where we can take our blood pressures from. Then the digital one has also this. This is like its monitor. The monitor has an on button. It has this. This is like its monitor. And actually these medical digital machines are very easy to use. So you put on the power button, and if you put on the power button, it will start inflating. So I'm going to first put it on my arm. So you see, because you can actually take your pressure at home. For example, you're hypertensive, you're alone, you want to know your blood pressures, and you have your machine. You don't have to wait for anyone. And it has also batteries, so you want to make sure that the batteries are in. I just wanted to confirm before I switch it on. Then you go to the power button, then you switch it on. It will show those figures. The figures have disappeared, but it will start measuring, okay? So you give it time. We don't advise people to be talking when we are taking their blood pressures, but for video purposes, because this can affect your blood pressure, so you let it settle. You see, so at the end of it, when it has taken your pressure, it will bring on figures like that. So mine is around 118, 81, and the pulse of 90. Usually it's lower than this, especially the diastolic. It is lower than 80. I'm usually between 60 and 70, but I think because I've been talking, or probably, I don't know, I wasn't comfortable or something, but it will bring on the digits like that. You have to know how to interpret. Or if you don't know how to interpret, you can call your health care provider and inform them of what your blood pressure is, so that they can help you. After that, of course, you uncuff. Yeah, so after uncuffing, you switch off the, you see, you switch off. But just in case you forgot your last temperature, just in case you forgot your last blood pressure readings, you have this for memory. It has a word memory. Hope you can see it. This, when you press it, it brings the very last blood pressure reading that was taken on that machine. So you can, you know, go backwards so that it can show you different ones. You see, yeah, so different readings are on this machine. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you've liked the video. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, comment in the section below. Follow me on my other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are down below. Bye and see you next time.